So if you don't want to have RGB in the build, but you still care about how your build looks, Thermaltake may well have the fans for you. These are the brand new TOUGHFANS EX12 Pro in white. They also come in black, and there is also 140mm variants available as well. The big selling point of these fans is you are able to replace the standard fan blades out with the included reverse blade fans, so they are going to look good no matter where you have them in the case. So let's go ahead and get them unboxed and we'll take a closer look at them. So as you'd expect in a triple pack of fans, in the box you get 3 fans, and we've got the standard fan blades installed. There's also 3 reverse fan blades. We get 3 fan cables, so although you are able to join the fans together with one cable, if you want to install 3 separate fans in different places in the case, you are able to do that. We get 3 packets of fan screws, and it's good to see that in this package you get 4 standard fan screws as well as 4 long radiator screws. And we also get this syringe with 1/2 ml of oil in it. And the idea is that once you've changed the fan blades a couple of times, Thermaltake recommending adding 0.1 mils of oil into the bearing. So taking a closer look at the fans, you can see they do quite an attractive design, although I'm not completely sold in the black in the middle. I do think white would have worked better here, particularly if you were planning an all white build. If we turn the fan round, you'll see the reason that reverse fan blades exist. Having this fan set to intake would not look good without reversing the fan blades. The other thing to point out is we do have anti-vibration pads on both sides. In terms of thickness, the fans are a standard 25mm thick, and you'll notice on one side we have these 4 gold pins, while on the other side we've got 4 gold contacts, and these are how the fans are going to join together. So joining the fans together couldn't be more straightforward. They are going to attach magnetically, so you're just going to want to make sure you've got the gold pins on one side and the gold pads on the other, and then simply join the fans together and they're going to snap into place. Same thing with our third fan, and that's 3 fans all connected up together. So the magnetic connection is quite good if you're lifting the fans up this way, although I have found if you turn it around this way, they will come apart. So if you're moving them about into your case, make sure you keep them the long way down to keep them together. Our fan cables are also going to connect magnetically. Again, you can see we've got gold pads on this side, and we're going to want to take the side of the fans that has the 4 gold pins, just simply join the cable up, and you'll notice it's just simply going to snap into place magnetically. On the other end of the cable, we've got a standard 4-pin PWM connector, so all you need to do is plug this into a fan header on your motherboard and you're ready to go. If you want to change the standard fan blade for the reverse blade, you're simply going to get your thumbs in behind the fans and simply push the blade out. So you can see the grease that we've got in the middle, so if you were taking the fan blade in and out a few times, this is where Thermaltake are recommending adding the extra grease in. So then all we need to do is take the reverse fan blade, line it up, and once we're happy it's lined up, push it in, and that's it changed over. So you can see the orientation of the blades has changed, so we're going to be able to have this, for example, installed down the bottom of a case or on the side of the case, and it's actually going to be bringing air in, so in from the back to the front, so you're going to have the good side of the fan blades on display no matter where you install it. So if we take a quick look at our specifications, you can see that the fans will run between 500 and 2000 revs per minute. But what is really important is the air pressure, the airflow, and also the noise vary depending on whether you've got the standard fan blades or the reverse fan blades. So in terms of static pressure, we've got 3.19 millimeters of water with the standard fan blade, but this drops down all the way to 2.6 with the reverse fan blades. Airflow is a similar story. The standard fan blade gives us more airflow. So as well as offering less performance, the reverse fan blades are significantly noisier by 7.2 decibels compared to the standard ones. So you really are paying quite a big cost for aesthetics. So it's also good to see that we've got a really long fan cable at 90 centimeters. So to install our fans, all we're going to need to do is plug the PWM cable into a fan header on the motherboard. Okay, so that's our 3 fans running off that one PWM cable. The PC is idling and the fans are lovely and quiet. In terms of aesthetics, I think you'll see what I said earlier on about the black in the middle. I think if you're going for a black and white theme, this will work perfectly in terms of fans, but if you are wanting to do an all white build, the black in the middle isn't going to look great, so certainly factor that in. So in terms of pricing, the triple pack of 120mm fans will set you back just under £60 in the UK, and you'll find a link to them in the description. So first impressions of Thermaltake's TOUGHFANS EX12 Pro are good. I think these are attractive fans. They are really easy to install with the magnetic connections and just one single cable coming from them. I also really like the fact that you can swap out the fan blades, because obviously the frame of the fans is going to probably be the most expensive bit. And should you want to do another build in the future, you're not going to have to go out and pick up additional fans. You're simply able to swap the fan blades in to get the exact configuration that you want, and all your fans are going to look good no matter where they're installed. So it is a really nice idea rather than having separate variants of the fans. It's also great to see that the fans come without RGB on them, because certainly if you want RGB on the fans, you could absolutely lose a choice. If you want non-RGB fans, there is definitely limited choices, and most of these fans are quite basic. So it's nice to have some fans with advanced features and easy connectivity. So looking forward to getting these fans into a build on the channel fairly soon. If you have enjoyed this quick unboxing and overview, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. And if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching.